How if you installed your CCTV properly but you get the image upside down? As you can see on the screen, our CCTV is fixed like that. So we fixed in the ceiling, but we get the image when we view our CCTV, we get the image upside down. So all the rotate setting we will learn in this video. So first of all, open the app that you are using the camera. I am opening the Mi Home, the application. Now if you can see, if I play the camera, you can see upside down. So how we can rotate our camera? So we click the top three dots and then click the all devices. Now select your device, Mi Home security camera. On the top you can see the three dots. You click that one and then click the first option, camera setting. Now here you can find out if down image setting, click the image setting, and then bottom you can see the rotate image, click the rotate image, and then bottom also you can see the arrow rotate. You have to rotate your camera and then click OK on the top. Okay, so the save our settings. If I go back and then see our device, now it's rotate already. Our camera is on the right side. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.